Hello, guys. Welcome to fucking the game everyone freaking hated. Yep, FIFA 14. Um, just gonna be opening some packs just for the fun of it. It's always fun. See what we get. Also, I'm gonna be showing you a freaking badass squad I made, and yeah, that's gonna be fun too. But yeah, let's just get started on the pack opening. Let's see what we freaking get. I'm gonna be spending coins on this shit. I don't know, a 15,000, 7 rares. Yeah, we'll go with 2 15,000 and 1 7,000. That sounds about right. Alright, let's do this. Let's see what we get. Come on, El Sharari. El Shalabi! El Shalabi, please. Who we gonna get? Who we gonna get? Who we gonna get? That's not bad, but it's not good at the same time. Jesus Christ, I freaking hate this guy. He's good in real life, but God, in this game, he's pretty fucking annoying. That's all I gotta say. So let's put him on the fucking transfer shit. Alrighty, then on to the next pack. Tim Cahill's on this one. I want to change that. Now we have Vidal. I thought that really matters. Okay, let's do Tim Cahill. Come on, Cahill. As beast as he did that volley in fucking against Netherlands in the World Cup, please give me a beast ass player, man. Come on, Cahill. I don't know why I care about this, but it'd be cool if I could get like freaking Ronaldo or something. That'd be really freaking awesome. Let's see who we get. We fucking get. We get. Oh my god, that is the shittiest fucking pack. My god, FIFA. Even here, literally, that's like the best fucking guy I got. That old man with 15 passing, plus 15 passing. Jesus freaking Christ. Oh my god, at least we get some contracts in there, but other than that, my god, are you kidding me? 6 fucking non-rares, are you kidding me? Jesus Christ. Oh my god, that is stupid. Alright, after that, we're gonna open some 7,000 coin ones now. I don't wanna fucking spend more than 15,000 coins on this shit. Alright, so come on, Falcao. Come on, Falcao. Let's do this, Falcao. You can do this. You're Falcao. Come on. We get. Oh, we get Pepe Reina. Not bad. Actually, that's bad. It's not even that good, actually. Well, 7,000. That's not bad. I guess it's not too bad. Yeah, it's not horrible. A basic chem? Are you freaking serious? You couldn't give me really a basic chem? They come with that already. Jesus Christ. Alright, I'm probably gonna open like 2 or 1 more of these. Alaba's on this one, so you know, you never know. Alaba's pretty good in real life, so you know, you never know. Let's see what happens. Who we gonna get? We're gonna get that guy. Oh my god, what a beast. Look at him. How haven't Real Madrid signed him yet? Look at him, he's amazing. Fabio Barini, that guy, and freaking Nolan with a trait. Oh my god, with a freaking trait. Yeah, this is the last one after. I'm sorry, guys. Jesus freaking Christ, look at this. No, I didn't even get, Socrates and forgot what else I had, Pepper. I mean, but really, man, I was at 100 and probably, I think, 40,000. I'm not sure. I already forgot what I was at, but yeah, really, I'm now at 113 after this, man. I'm just gonna, show you my beast ass squad and, show some gameplay. So yeah, guys, let me show you the ultimate squad that I made for Ultimate. yo. 54 Cam. But you know what? Yeah, I have Donovan as a CM, but it's a ST. But you know what? I don't give up. So yeah, guys, let's play with this fucking team. I just censored myself saying the F word, and I just said the freaking F word without censoring myself. Genius. Okay. Look at that bench. Look at that bench. Jekyll, Defoe, Blackheart, blue card Thierry Henry, Tim Pato Howard. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Michael Bradley, Graham Susie. Look at that bench. Oh my Jesus Christ. Look at that. Look at Jekyll card. It's like amazing. Look at Higuain's card. It's the best. Look at it. Look at these cards. I'm just sorry. I miss these cards, you know, because I don't have to start all over in FIFA freaking 15. But anyways, guys, let me set this up, and I'll probably I'll resume the video when I'm in you know, when they show the opponent squad and all that. So anyways, yeah. All right, so that's the squad I'm gonna be playing. Pretty average squad, you know. The only good players is Rooney, Vidic, and Casillas. But anyways, let's see how this turns out.
Welcome to EA Sports live coverage of FIFA Ultimate Team Seasons.
You're on one-on-one opportunity. Neymar Jr. Neymar Jr. scores. Landon Donovan. Yeah, that was a gas goal. I didn't give a fuck. Take a look at it. Yeah. Muller. You son of a fucking Welbeck. Fuck, man, I'm losing. Muller. Oh yeah. Let's see what's gonna happen. Are you serious? This guy really quit? Really? Really? I destroyed that guy. Anyways, guys, you guys gotta admit that this squad is amazing. I mean, look at the name of it. Stuff. What better name do you want? 54 Chem. I don't give a F. You know, I'll still whip the crap out of people. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Please freaking like the video if you want. I really don't give a F. Leave a comment, whatever the heck you want. You can even put hi. I really don't care. Thank you guys for watching the video. And Cheez-Its.